Hey guys, today we are unpacking the Pokemon XY Evolutions Fake Booster Pack. So in this pack we have, at 80 health points, we have Magma. We have an energy card. We have Trainer Devolution Spray. We have Trainer Energy Retrieval. At 50 health points, we have a Surfing Pikachu. At 110 health points, we have Zapdos. At 120 health points, we have Chansey. At 60 health points, we have the Duo. And at 220 health points, we have Mega Charizard EX. Thank you for... there you have it, guys. The unpacking of the Pokemon XY Evolutions Faced Booster Pack. Please like, subscribe and comment.